Now we are going to look into another git command, and that is about the branches. In your development, we might have different features and we might have different development environments. So for example, if we take the project, okay, so let's take this is your project, and this project has many versions of that. So we are creating the initial version and we test it, and then we just clean the code and stuff. We just make it as a production ready version. What do you mean production ready? Production ready means like we have a product which is with less errors and it is ready to go live to the world or the internet, whatever, to the client, right, after the testing of UAT, user acceptance testing. So let's say you are in that kind of a situation and you need many features to go into this production version. In such cases, we don't mess with the initial version source code. We take branches of that and we divide that project into separate features. As long as, like, when you have different features with you, you create separate branches for separate features, right? Maybe you have a team working on this product and you have one person with this feature, another person with this feature. So we can separate two feature branches for this one. So this session is about the branches. So how we gonna create branches? Okay, so we have simple two steps in the branches. So right now we have the command git branch and we can check the available branches. So here if we check git branch, it will show you the local branches. If I hit enter, I have only master here. So let's say you want another branch to work with. So in that case, okay, so I'm going to create a branch like this. Git, we have two ways of creating the branches. The first way is branch. Okay, the first thing that you have to do when you're creating the branch is you should be in the branch where you need. For example, I need a feature branch from the master. So in such cases, we need to be in the master branch for that. All right. So the first step is git branch and we have to give the branch name here. So I will give feature 1. For my feature 1, I need a branch, so I just type git branch feature 1. Okay, so that's it. So if I take git branch now, so we have two branches, right? The master branch is there and the feature branch is there. Okay, now let's say you want to go inside the feature branch. So there's a little command here, git checkout. So we use checkout to go back and forth within the, to like change within the branches. So after the checkout command, we have to give the branch name. So we'll give feature 1. Now I'm inside the feature branch. You can see I was in the master branch and now I'm in the feature 1 branch. So let's say you need to go back to the master. Git checkout master. Right, you are back in the master, right? Okay, that is the first way, git branch and git checkout. That is the first way of creating the branch and moving. And second of all, we can have one single command to move into another branch. For example, we can use git checkout -b to represent that we need to create a branch and we do the checkout at the same time. So I will go and type feature 2. So I need another branch for my feature 2 and we are going to create the branch on the fly and we are going to move into the branch itself. So hit enter, you are in the feature branch and it is created. Now if you check git branch, you have 3 branches already. Alright, so that is about creating the branch and going back and forth within the branches.